Hello, I hope you're all doing well. Today I have a technique for creating a spectrum light bar, though the name can vary. For example, chromatic echoes, prism flow, or radiant lines. Anyway, whatever you want to call it, this is the kind of image we'll be working on. Okay, let's get started. Draw a rectangle as the background, making it the same size as the artboard, and filled it with black. Then I used the mesh tool and clicked on the edge to create horizontal lines like this. Next, I added the colors I wanted, then clicked another point and applied color again. After you've added the colors, if you want to move a point, use the white arrow, click and hold on the intersection, and drag it to the position you want. I adjusted it to look like this. If you want to pick a color from another area, use the white arrow to click on the point where you want to change the color. Then use the eyedropper tool or press the I key on your keyboard and click on the area you want to sample the color from. It doesn't always have to be at an intersection point. In this case, I didn't want pure black, but I also didn't want the exact color at the intersection. So instead, I chose another spot between the black and the intersection color, like this. Remember, this is an important part that makes your artwork come out differently. You don't have to do it exactly like I did. Apply the colors you like, wherever you prefer. Go to the Layers panel and add a new layer. Use a rectangle to draw a vertical bar like this. Apply a black and white gradient. I used black on the left side and white on the right side like this. Then, copy it and place it next to the original, making sure the edges align perfectly. At this step, if you use Smart Guides, it will be much easier. You'll see that the edges of both shapes snap together perfectly. If you don't use Smart Guides, you'll have to align them manually, which could cause mistakes and waste time. Go to the Window menu. If there's a check mark in front of Smart Guides, that means it's enabled. See, when you move the shape close enough, it snaps right into place. Next, press Ctrl+D to keep duplicating until you reach the other edge of the artboard. Then, select all of these rectangular bars. If you don't want to click each one individually, here's a quicker way. Click on the bottom of the Layers panel like this. It will select all objects in that layer. Right-click and choose Group. Open the Transparency panel and change the blending mode from Normal to Color Dodge. See that? But you can also use other blending modes. You'll have to experiment. For example, I tried Overlay, Soft Light, or Multiply. The way the colors appear will vary, so it really depends on your preference. If you want to change the look of the background, just hide the layer of the rectangular bars. Use the white arrow to click on the mesh points and change the color, or move the points to any position you like. Or even by resizing it larger and layering them on top of each other, you can make it look different. Okay, I hope this gives you lots of ideas to build on. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.